Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. As-salatu was-salamu ala khatamin nabiyyin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Amma ba'd, fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qala Allah ta'ala fi Surah Al-Maeda: إن الذين كفروا لو أن لهم ما في الأرض جميعا ومثله معه ليفتدوا به من عذاب يوم القيامة ما تقبل منهم وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ. Translation: Surely as for those who disbelieve, if they had all that is in the earth and as much again to ransom themselves from the torment of the day of resurrection, it would never be accepted from them, and for them is a painful doom. In the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about getting the taqwa, getting the fear of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and getting the means to get close to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and also about struggling in the path of Allah so that the Muslims and believers can get success. In today's ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is mentioning about the disbelievers, that when they see the torment, the punishment of hereafter, they will become ready to give whatever is in the earth and even twice as much to be saved from the hellfire, but it will never be accepted from them. And this is explained just to give an idea how bad the punishment of hereafter will be, because nobody will have anything in the day of resurrection other than their good deeds or bad deeds. And it is given the example that if they have all the wealth of the world, as much as 2 times of all the wealth of the world, it will not be accepted. And this topic is repeated at many places in Quran and Surah Al-Maeda. Another aspect of this is mentioned that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says that during the day of resurrection, the sinful will wish that to get away from the painful punishment of that day, he will give away his sons, his wife, his brother, and the whole family and all the humanity just to get himself saved from the hellfire, but it will not be possible. So in the hereafter, all the wealth that the criminals try to collect and all the family members and sons and friends that the criminals might have will become completely useless, and they will be quite ready to trade them to get saved from the hellfire. In the next ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, يُرِيدُونَ أَن يَخْرُجُوا مِنَ النَّارِ وَمَا هُمْ بِخَارِجِينَ مِنْهَا وَلَهُمْ عَذَابٌ مُقِيمٌ. Translation: They will desire to come forth from the fire, but they will not come forth from it. For them is a lasting torment. That means that these criminals, these disbelievers, will try to get out of the fire with every possible move, but it will be impossible for them to get out of the punishment. And that punishment is a lasting punishment. It's azabun muqim, meaning it will stay, it will not go away. So if we see the sequence of the previous ayah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentioned about those who are causing disorder in the world like dacoits, and their punishment was given, and then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded the believers to get taqwa of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, to get the means to get closer to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and to do the struggle in the path of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala so that the believers can be successful. And then the disbelievers were explained that they will be ready to give whatever they have, whatever is even possible, they are ready to give to get saved from the hellfire, but it will not be possible, and they will stay in the hellfire forever. In the next ayah, we will see that the punishment for the thieves is described. Let's pray that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give us true understanding of Quran. Ameen wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.